In this video, I'll show you how to set up your floor plan for printing. You'll learn how to rename the tab, place a title block, align your viewport, and adjust the view within the viewport. Record data in the data block, set the target printer, and change the page size. You should still have your project open from the previous video. Make sure you're on the Layout 1 tab. The first thing we'll do is right-click on the Layout 1 tab. In the menu that comes up, click on Rename. Then type Floor Plan in the tab, which is now activated, and press the Enter button on the keyboard. Next, right-click on the tab that is now named Floor Plan and select from the menu Page Setup Manager. In the dialog box that comes up, you'll create a new page setup. On the right-hand side, click the New button and name the new layout for instructional purposes 18 by 24, which is the paper size we'll be using. In the Print dialog, which should have popped up, select the target printer from the Print Name drop-down. You won't have the same printer I have as an option, so choose either Microsoft Print to PDF or AutoCAD PDF. When I get the file on my computer, I'll reset it to the appropriate printer. In a section below that is the paper size box. Yours may currently say letter. Select this box to get a drop-down menu and find Arc C, which is an 18 by 24 inch layout. That's all you need to change at this point. Click OK. Before you click Close, make sure the new layout you created is selected, and click the Set Current button on the right side and then click Close. The action you just performed resized your paper and left you with a small viewport at the bottom left of your paper space. Don't panic, we're going to fix that. Now you're going to place the title block that you downloaded and moved to your desktop. In the tab sections at the very top, select the Insert tab. From here, go to the block panel on the far left side of the ribbon. Click on the drop-down menu for Insert. At the very bottom of the selection box is an option for More Options. That you will click. Inside of the Insert dialog box, navigate to the Browse button on the right and click. From here, just go to the desktop folder and find the title block that you downloaded earlier and then click Open. Now the title block should be attached to your cursor. Mouse and place the title block at the center of the page. You can use guidelines to get it perfect if you want, or eyeball it. Just as long as when I get it, it looks like it's centered on the layout. I'm not going to break out a micrometer or anything. Next, you can either draw a new viewport or adjust the one that is already there to fit inside the body of the title block. Do not extend the viewport all the way into the identity section of the title block, just inside the body. Stretch it from corner to corner. Remember to click the border of the viewport to activate the grips, and then adjust as necessary. After sizing the viewport, double-click inside the drawing portion of the viewport to activate the model. The easiest way to set your drawing is to use the navigation bar over here to the right. Do you see the magnifying glass? Just below the magnifying glass is a drop-down arrow. Click this and choose Zoom Window. Draw a box around your floor plan, making sure to include all of your dimensions and notes in the box. Then click and it'll zoom into the floor plan nice and tight. Make sure you double click in a white space outside of the viewport to activate it, or deactivate it. Now zoom into the data section of the title block that is at the lower right corner and type your name, date, and scale, which should be 1/4 inch equals 1 foot, in the appropriate cells. Now you're done with the floor plan. Watch the next video, which will show you how to place your elevations using 4 viewports on the same page.